The delivery company looked successful everywhere. More orders, more riders, more customers. Yet something important was quietly collapsing. New customers kept arriving. But old customers stopped recommending the service to friends and family. That exact problem led businesses to create something called NPS, Net Promoter Score. NPS does not measure happiness. It measures something far more powerful: customer loyalty and recommendation behavior. NPS is built around one famous question: how likely are you to recommend us to someone else? Customers scoring 9 or 10 become promoters. Low scores become detractors. Everyone else quietly stays passive. Businesses learn something important. Advertisements create awareness, but recommendations create trust.
Customers often stop emotionally trusting a company long before they completely stop buying from it.
Many companies misuse NPS badly. They chase scores instead of understanding why customers actually feel frustrated. Meet Ethan, founder of a fast-growing grocery delivery startup expanding rapidly across the city. Orders increased weekly. Advertising worked. App installs grew fast. Every business dashboard looked healthy. But referral growth suddenly collapsed. Customers used the app once, then stopped recommending it entirely. Ethan blamed pricing, competition, and weak marketing campaigns. But none explained the emotional disconnect customers felt. Then the company finally sent one simple NPS survey asking customers whether they would recommend the service. The responses shocked everyone. Many loyal customers scored the company only 4, 5, and 6. Customers kept repeating the same complaint. Deliveries no longer felt predictable or trustworthy anymore. People forgive occasional delays, but they stop recommending businesses they no longer trust emotionally. NPS is calculated by subtracting detractors from promoters. It measures loyalty balance, not satisfaction percentage. The company redesigned delivery zones, improved ETA systems, and stopped overloading evening delivery windows. Most importantly, the company stopped optimizing only for growth and started optimizing for customer trust. Several weeks later, referrals improved, complaints dropped, and customers started recommending the service again. But NPS alone is never enough. Smart businesses also track retention, complaints, delivery reliability, and customer effort. When companies chase survey scores instead of fixing customer problems, the metric becomes meaningless. The strongest businesses are not just used, they are recommended. Metrics made human. One metric, one story, every week.